All right, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Today's video, I am working on my, check it out, 2022 KLR650, and just got this bike, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna do a few upgrades on it. I also want to do a walk around video of it and just kind of show it, because it is brand new. It's just, I've already been riding it on the trails, so. But I just want to, kind of show it to the channel, show you what I got with it, some of the stuff I plan on doing with it. One of the first things I'm going to be doing is the Thermobob 2 kit, the Wattman, to get better coolant flow in this and help with out-of-round cylinders, which I don't know if that's going to be a problem on the 22 versions, but I know on the other models, they all had that problem with the top of the cylinder getting too hot and the bottom being cold and warping them. And then they start burning oil really bad. So either way, I got that kit coming for it. It just replaces this. So that'll be here a couple days. That'll be a video. But today's video is going to be changing out the skid plate. It's just a plastic guard, which you can see has this massive dent because I was out riding on the trails and a branch, kicked up, went straight through this, stabbed all the way up and hit me in the leg. So this is coming off and it's getting an actual skid plate today, which I'll show you that in just a second, the kit we're putting on. But yeah, I just want to put that on, get something a little harder under here. And I believe it even covers the bottom more than this because this kind of just ends. I think it comes back farther. So we're going to be doing that, but you're going to need a 8mm socket and I believe 10mm on the back. I'm going to check right now. I'm going to say it's a 10mm. So I'll show you what we got to do. All right, yeah. So 8mm on the front, 10mm on the back. Got my ratcheting Ulsa tools right here. Ratcheting wrenches. These things are great. Had these for over a year now. They're push reversible, so you push, kind of hard to do with the one hand, but you push in and twist to reset the, so see it ratchets this way, right? I push in and turn, now it ratchets the other way, which I thought that was going to be a really crappy design, but I actually really like it. It's been going strong for over a year now, so we're going to use this to counter hold the bolt there. Take off, there's one here, one there, and then, 2 on the bottom. So those are going to come off. This is our new skid plate, all metal design. I don't know, maybe 1/4 inch thick, and looks like that's the hole for the drain plug, so it comes back a lot farther. So we're going to take those bolts off and then I'll catch up and show you what's next. All right, so plate's off. You can see, here it is. It's literally just, actually, it's pretty hard plastic, surprisingly, but it is just plastic. You can see it does bend when you hit stuff. There's not really much protection from it. This is where the branch came through. As far as I can tell, everything looks good. It doesn't look like I damaged anything. I really thought I was gonna break a coolant hose when that came through. But that looks good. I'm not really a big fan of these hoses. They're kind of just hanging, but I guess I'll just lay them up here for now. I think these are just like tank vents and stuff, so I'll just put them out of the way for now. But yep, so here's the skid plate, our old one. Old one versus the new one. So these cutouts, this is all metal versus plastic. A lot thicker too. This would focus. Very thin plastic versus probably 1/4 inch metal. So now we're out of focus again. There we go. So we're going to just I'm going to feed the top first, put a bolt through, get the bolt started up top, and then work our way down. So I'm gonna try and stay up here for this. Just loosely threaded. Then on the other side. There we go. Comes with these two individual spacers to put on the bottom part of the skid plate. I'm guessing to just pull it back just a tad so it's not rubbing on this part of the frame. So this is going to be a pain to do. Just make sure we got bolts. Okay, so there we go. All right, I'm gonna call that good. Now take a peek. So there it is. So you can see it's got little rubber grommets around the bolts to help with vibrations. You see how tight I got them. Probably too tight because it's starting to squish out a little bit, but I think it's fine. And then down on the bottom, you can see that's the bolt. That's how much is sticking out. Pretty sure I cross-threaded the other side. Maybe not. Hard to say. There's your drain plug. Which is a good spot. You can see that pan comes back a lot farther. It protects the bottom. I'm probably going to get the shortened drain plug because that does just barely stick out past the skid plate. So if I ever hit anything, I don't want that to catch. So I have one that shortens it just a tad. So, and you know, oil filter, that's all still accessible. Everything's good here. Hoses run through. It looks pretty decent up in here. So it looks decent and covers all this. If I hit a branch, just gonna hit that. And then when I put the Wattman kit on, this may have to come off because we got to pull this hose. But it might not. It might just be able to sneak right through there and then go up to the top there. But there's our, I actually don't know what that is. I wonder what that is. Overflow line, I don't know. I haven't even really gotten to look too much this bike. I've just been riding it on the trails, but I guess now we'll start it up and see how it sounds. Make sure we don't got any like crazy rattling noises or metal on metal. So let's start it up. Here she is. Ooh, so beautiful. 168 miles so far. Turn our kill switch off. Hear the fuel pump come on. Got our neutral, let's start it up. Nice and responsive though. Sounds good. I don't hear anything rattling. It's good. go. Sounds like a dirt bike, but I don't hear any rattling coming from that plate. There it is again. Looks good. Much better. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on the bike, what I plan to do with it. I'll put this just over here for now. You know, what the future plans are. You know, let me know if you want to see any more on this bike. I know I'm doing the weird noise. Doing the Wattman kit on it soon. I might do the Yoshiyama or whatever the name is exhaust on it, because you can see this is a big exhaust, and I already know the aftermarket exhaust. It's like almost 500 bucks. Doesn't change the sound a crazy ton. Does sound a little better, but it takes a lot of weight off the bike. I think this stock exhaust is like 17 pounds, and aftermarket's like 6. So that's a lot on a bike. Give it a little sound, a little better power. Might also get it tuned at some point. It is still under warranty for the next 5 years, because I got the extended warranty on it, but I'm not crazy worried about it. Makes a weird noise sometimes, but that's just the vent on it. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to see more on this bike, maybe get the GoPro on the helmet, get some trail riding videos. That's mainly what I bought it for, is riding trails and, you know, commute to work, but I want to be able to take trails, so that's why I got it on off-road. But that's going to be it. So catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.